Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove this privacy report from your Safari web home screen. So as you can see, when you open Safari on your home screen, this report occurs and it's annoying for some of the users. So how can you get rid of it? So let me show you guys. So first, let's assume you have opened in this page. Okay. After, so how can you go to that page I just shown you before? So in order to go to the page, just click this button, and from here you just need to tap this plus button. And after you come to this privacy report page, home page of Safari, you need to do is just click the edit button here, and from here as you can see it says privacy report. Just you need to uncheck this, and as you can see the privacy report tab is now disappeared. So yeah, that's how you remove it. Or if you want to enable it, just go to this edit button and just tap it here. So yeah, that's how you do.